See the screen? It's flickering. It was worse last time. So what I'm gonna do is take out the plug, unplug the plug in the back where the tailgate is. I'll show you where it is. And hopefully it fixes it. I don't know if you, yeah, there you go. You can see it. It was really bad last time. It was really bad. I couldn't hardly see anything. And Mom was like, oh, do I need a new screen? Do I need a new body control module? My new camera? So let's go unplug it and check it out. So the cover right here. And there's your plug. All right, so this thing's in the back. Obviously, when you're driving, and it's got a little salt on it. When you're driving, the water gets all over it. Let's see if there's water in here or any dirt. All right. And there it is. There's your problem. That's why my screen's flickering. I had water, a little bit of moisture in there. And the green is from the brass plug corroding. So I got water in there. So what we're going to do is clean that out. Maybe re-sand the prongs a little bit so it gets a better connection. And that should fix it. That should be the fix on that screen. That's not good. If I didn't see that, it would have got worse and eventually built up more corrosion and shorted it out. But this is what happens when you get a plug right behind you. Your spare tire. When you're driving on the highway, all that water splashes up, gets right into that plug. I'm also going to put some electric grease in here too, so it keep the moisture out. So I thought I had some dielectric grease, non-conductive grease. I do not. Now I got to run an AutoZone. America. All right. All right. All cleaned up. All the corrosion out of there. I did have a significant amount of water in here too. I got my air hose and sprayed it out. There's a good amount of water in there. So now that the water's out, it's nice and dry and cleaned up, I'm gonna get some dielectric grease. Got this from AutoZone, it's like $1.50, I think. I'm gonna stick this on the prongs. And I'll keep the water up. Keep a nice solid connection. All right, man, she's greased up. I'm gonna plug it back together. All right, cover back. Oh, here you go. Little tip, make sure this wire is pulled up. And just kind of give a little pull so it doesn't pinch between your bed and the frame. There you go. All right, start her up. Now before the screen, when I put it in reverse, was scrambling. It was all scribbly. It was because I had water in there. There was water getting in the connection. It was causing a short, a slight short, a little zzz going on. And it was causing the screen to scramble. Let's put it in reverse and check it out. Ah, beautiful, baby. Look at that. Good as new. I thought I needed a new camera. I'm like, what the heck's going on? This was going on for a few weeks. And I finally took a look at it. I figured I'd make a video on it just to help you guys out. If anybody else is having that problem, check that first, and I hope it helped you out. You can pick up some dielectric grease at AutoZone. I think it was $1.50 or $1.79 for it. Comes in a little packet. They have it on the counter. I also grabbed some anti-seize for my spark plugs. I'm doing the head soon, I think next weekend, so I'll use that too. So while I was behind my truck doing that, I look up at my third brake light, and that thing's gonna be the death of me. I've taken that thing apart 3 times, you know, found areas where water was coming in. Now I look at the third brake light and there's water inside the third brake light. Can't win! So what I'm gonna do is make a video on that. I'm gonna take it apart and find out why there's water inside of it. The thing is like brand new. It's not even a year old. It's the second one I bought. I don't know why it's doing that. All right, guys. I hope this video helps somebody out. If you liked it, like it. And I hate making these maintenance videos, but we're going to be doing the head soon. So that's going to be fun. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you later.